What's up, everybody? It's Intense Investor coming at you again for another episode on my YouTube channel. Tonight I want to talk a little bit about Safemoon. There's been a lot of big news lately on this coin. It's a deflationary coin. Burns 5% with each buy or sell transaction. The other 5% goes to the liquidity pool. It's been out since early March, I think sometime around March the 7th. It's been a while since I did a video on it. I think it was actually back in March or maybe April. I actually did a video on how to buy that with the Trust wallet. It got a lot of attention. It was one of my best videos. So that let me kind of realize there was a lot of people looking at Safecoin, and it was really a big deal. Because it just got so many more views than any of my other videos. But anyway, I got Safemoon up on the chart, the 4-hour chart. We can just jump right into it. I got the moving averages up, got the MACD, the RSI. Right now on the MACD, it's a little bit low. It's probably a good excuse me, buying opportunity. RSI, it's down pretty good level, pretty low. It's not high like it was up here when we had this little bit of a run up. As you can see, when you're having a good run up, you kind of sit up above your moving averages, and when you start to dip, you kind of get down inside of them and within them. Right now we're sitting at 0.000079. That's 5 zeros. I think I said the right number. And we were above the moving averages right here, but then we started dipping down inside of them. We got some big news coming up tomorrow from CEO, about like the Phoenix announcement. You know, he might talk about the wallet, some exchanges. I'm going to hop over to the Twitter in a little bit. Just kind of scroll through that, scroll through the Telegram. Otherwise, though, I think the things are looking pretty good on the chart. I mean, we came up here. It was back in 20th of April, 420, literally. Then we went down, we dipped, came back up. Kind of just trended to the right here, consolidating before we had another increase to get back up to that all-time high. Then we've just been trending ever since. So possibly with this news tomorrow, we're going to be shooting back up again, and you'll probably see these indicators get up again, get up high. You'll see the MACD cross again probably, and the RSI is going to go back up. I've heard from other Safemoon members and people that on the past news there was a pretty big dip. I mean, I don't see any huge dips here, unless it was right here or right in this point. But I don't expect any really large news. I think they're also talking about being listed on Gemini exchange. Binance, they've been kicking that around. I think KUCOIN Gemini, they're pretty sure about, but they've been hinting at Binance. I think Binance is just kind of watching Safemoon to see where it goes and see how things kind of play out, if you will. So here I am on DEX.Euro. I just clicked the full screen mode off the chart. There's been 20 million trading volume last 24 hours. It's 155 million in the liquidity pool. I like using DEX.Euro because you can see the liquidity, and you can also see all the transactions over here, all the buys and sells. As you can see, every couple of seconds there are buys and sells. There's a lot of activity on this coin. If you go over to CoinGecko, you'll see that currently ranked, Safemoon is currently ranked 36 on their front page of 100 coins. CoinMarketCap has not put Safemoon in any of the rankings yet, or corrected some of the data, I believe, like the price data and some of that stuff. But sometimes it takes a little while to update when you're looking at CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Like that price right there is not right. The real price is actually 5 zeros, then 79298 is the actual price. So CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, they got the same price. I don't know if it's because of the tokenomics, if that gets things screwed up with the burn rate, the 5% going to the liquidity pool. I don't know if that messes things up or what's going on with that. But it is good to see that Safemoon's ranked 36 out of all the cryptos, which that's pretty nice. And right now the market cap's $5,396,000. So trading volume here was showing 77 million past 24 hours. And see on here it was showing 20 million. So yeah, some of these might be off a little bit, depending on where you're looking at it. Another big thing is Safemoon just passed over 2 million holders. There's 2,069,000 holders. I think that price isn't totally right either. They show on the website. Supplies 584 trillion. It looks like they got these numbers updating currently. They've updated the website a couple times. Community driven, like I said, automatic liquidity pool, and then you get those RFI static rewards, which come from the 5% burn from buy and sell transactions. You have been audited. Certic, it's one of the best audits that you can get on a coin, like coins like VChain. They got Certic audits. You scroll down, you'll see how many tokens have been burned. 415 trillion, I think, is what that number is. Yeah, have been burned. They got the roadmap on here. They are going to come out with a wallet and some games. I think Minecraft is actually in collaboration with them for like a Safemoon version. There's going to be an app. Trying to get listed on Binance. I think they hinted at, or it's for sure that KUCOIN and Gemini, they're going to get listed on those two exchanges. Later on in the year, they're going to have a crypto educational app. They're going to be finishing up. They're going to finish an NFT exchange. And they're going to keep adding to their team, as they point out, 35%. Second quarter, add another 25% to their team in the third quarter. Then after that, they're going to be finishing up Safemoon Exchange, charity project, and they'll finish integrations with their first African market, which could be really huge. You hear Charles Hutchinson at Cardano talk about the African market a lot and how they want to integrate Cardano in with the African market. So it looks like Safemoon's also going to have an integration there with their coin and their apps and everything. So that's a really big deal. That's probably like worth trillions of dollars right there. They just mentioned, they're going to have some offices set up, I think, in the fourth quarter in Africa. And they mentioned having an office second quarter, which we're in now, in the UK and Ireland. So pretty big news. They're going to keep expanding, and I really look forward to seeing, kind of where they go with everything. They actually got their own forum on here too, which is pretty cool. I really hadn't checked that out, but you can go on there, kind of take a look around. Yeah, pretty neat, pretty cool stuff. One thing I'm kind of interested in is they're talking about this wallet, which they got a little video on Twitter I'll go over to and we'll watch it. You'll be able to store your Safemoon in there and possibly other coins, and I think earn like some kind of staking rewards or something maybe without actually staking the coins. But, you know, they're going to be releasing more info on that and how all that stuff works. But everybody's really excited about it. A lot of potential. I'm holding a pretty decent bag myself, you know, over 1 billion coins. So, you know, that's over $10,000 worth right now. I'm just going to keep holding. Got diamond hands. I'm not going to sell. You know, I want to see where it goes. I think there's some pretty big earning potential. But, you know, once the value goes up, the reflections that you get back are worth a lot too. So that's like a passive income. So that's something to think about. Here we are on Safemoon's Twitter. They got 719,000 followers, which is a heck of a lot. Now here they're showing Safemoon wallet. You can see the video right here. I'm not going to play the sound because I think it jacks up the sound while I'm recording. Pretty cool stuff. That's what they gotta keep doing. They gotta keep innovating. Pretty cool stuff. Looking forward to seeing where it all goes. Here's a tweet where they said, yes, we want to list on as many exchanges as possible that meet the requirements, but nothing changes that our mission is one mission and one mission only, to make it to the Safemoon. And then you can see like KRAKEN, BINANCE, COINBASE, you know, all the big ones. I'm trying to get listed on crypto.com where you can actually exchange. On there, 35, 36, somewhere around there. That's where they're talking about 700,000 on their Twitter, 700,000 followers now. I'm just scrolling through here, so you know, we can kind of, I don't know what the heck that is. Maybe like concert or something. You probably know. I'm just not really sure. They probably brought it up. Oh, there it is right there. They showed the Safemoon symbol. Looks like at a concert. I'm just kind of looking through, scrolling through. There's where they show like some kind of like card, credit card, debit card. Yeah, they're kind of hinting at new products. So looks pretty cool. Here's where they had a billboard taken out in Times Square. They were advertising on, really trying to get the word out there so other people know about Safemoon. Here's where they got a Simplex Safemoon partnership. As you know, like if you buy crypto, I've encountered it 2 places, on Trust Wallet and KUCOIN. They use Simplex where you can buy crypto with your debit card, credit card. So you're probably going to be able to use that to buy Safemoon on the Safemoon wallet. So that's going to be a really, really big deal also. Let's look at this one right here. It's talking about, I think, the wallet. So here you can say, you can see where it says simplify your transactions by saving your regular contacts within the Safemoon wallet. This is going to be pretty cool. Pretty cool. 10-second hold to cancel feature. Before every transaction is complete, you'll get 10 seconds to double check and verify your payment. That's kind of nice. Integrated smart calculator. Calculate your crypto in millions, billions, and trillions for instant accurate results. Built-in currency conversions to simplify your payment process across the world. So they got a lot of stuff, cool stuff coming along. Let me see if I can find that that Minecraft Space Moon. Okay, so on May 12th, there was this picture here. There's a new Minecraft banner that kind of hinted at a Minecraft game called Mooncraft by Safemoon. So, you're going to see a lot of interesting things coming down the pike. But, we just got to wait and see where all this goes. Right here, there was one on May the 9th talking about 2 new exchange listings, which is Gemini and KUCOIN coming in the top 30. NFT integration to video games, Minecraft to start. That's going to be huge right there, especially if NFTs keep taking off. Safemoon wallet update, personalization options, focus on usability, accessibility, simplicity, and partnership with Simplex, which I already went over that. Here's a sneak peek at the Minecraft server. Safemoon community. I was just reading some of the hashtags. Minecraft's one of the most playful games, and I wish OG and Hank, Safemoon Hank, can explain to you how huge this is going to be. That could be kind of fun, like Minecraft on the moon or something like that. Probably pretty interesting. And here's one Mandalorian of Safemoon posted on Twitter saying our project's working on so many levels we often forget Safemoon is a gaming project as well. And they got Minecraft Safemoon. So they're having a big AMA tomorrow. I'm going to pull that up on Telegram, make sure I pull up the right one. Let me go there now. I was going to tell you, when you go to the Telegram, make sure you're in Safemoon V2, which is version 2. There's about 141,000 members in there now, which is a lot. You'll see a lot of these scam telegrams over here on the left, like with another I in the name, or they add another 2. If you go to some of these, they could scam you. So be careful. Don't ever give anybody like your Trust Wallet seed phrase or MetaMask seed phrase, anything like that, because they can just siphon everything out of your wallet. They can pretty much download your wallet to their computer and then transfer it wherever they want to. So just be careful. Let's find the AMA that they're going to have. Okay, so tomorrow at 3:30 p.m., I think that's Eastern Time, GMT4. That's Sunday. Have their AMA roundtable. They're collecting questions in this thread. So be sure to ask your questions below. Upvote good questions. Eat a bagel. Answer questions. So they're going to bring up this Phoenix. I don't know what that is. Like, I tried to figure out. Here it is right here. Operation Phoenix. They're going to talk about that. It sounds pretty interesting, whatever it is. I tried to figure it out or find out by looking at comments on Reddit and all that, but I couldn't ever get a definitive answer. So I guess everybody's just going to have to tune in tomorrow around 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon just to see what that is. It could be some pretty big news. They said it's bigger than any exchange listing. So them just saying that, with KuCoin and Gemini exchange listings coming up, if this is bigger than that, then it must be pretty substantial, whatever it is. Just for them to say that. So I'm really interested in seeing how that goes and, kind of what's up with it. But that's about it, I think, for now with Safemoon. I think I went over pretty much everything. It's a project that keeps growing. It's gained a lot of interest over like a 2-month time period since March. I mean, you're only about 2 months into this thing, and you've had multiple millionaires made. You're going to have a lot more millionaires made from it. Maybe even billionaires if some of those top wallets keep holding. You got some of those with 3% of the total supply. That means they're getting a heck of a reflection return, like a passive income every day. Probably like 100,000 a day or something crazy. But that's that, and I just wanted to go over it. I'm in it myself, and just keep in mind I'm not any kind of financial advisor, anything like that. This is just my opinion on what I think about Safemoon and where it might go in the future. But I think the future is looking bright, and they keep trying to innovate with new things, games, NFTs, exchanges. A lot of room for growth. So I don't think there's much risk in holding it. I think they've proved themselves as a team, and they're doing a good job, you know. So anyway, that's all I got for tonight. Possibly tomorrow I might make another video just on this Phoenix. I do want to go over some of the other coins, you know, like Cardano, Matic, VeChain, AMP. I'm in some pretty good other ones. Like I like BPro. I think that's a good coin. Harmony. There's some good coins out there that I also invest in. I'll start making some more videos on those as well. But you guys have a good evening. Talk to you later.